Très bien. Let's begin. Alors, Madame la Présidente de la National Academy of Science des États-Unis, Mrs. President of the National Academy of Science of the United States, dear Marcia McNutt, who is down there, Monsieur le Président de la German Academy of Science, Leopoldina, cher Jörg Hacker, Herr Präsident der Deutschen Akademie der Naturforscher, Leopoldina, Nationale Akademie der Wissenschaften, lieber Jörg Hacker, Madame la Vice-Présidente de la National Academy of Science des États-Unis, Mrs. Vice President of the NAS, dear Diane Griffin, right here, Monsieur le Vice-Président, Madame le Secrétaire perpétuel, chers consoeurs, chers confrères, chers collègues, chers amis, Mesdames et Messieurs, la séance d'aujourd'hui est consacrée au prix Richard Lounsbery de l'Académie des sciences et de la National Academy of Science des États-Unis. Il s'agit d'un très grand prix attribué conjointement par nos deux académies et de façon alternée à un chercheur français ou un chercheur américain. This is a grand prize, jointly awarded by our two academies and alternately to a French and to an American researcher. This session comprises 4 parts. La séance comporte 4 volets. Edith Heard, who is down here, va dans un premier temps présenter le lauréat de cette année, Johannes Belaïch, who is somewhere here, and his family is here with 2 children and his wife. Les 2 enfants et sa femme sont ici. Edith Heard of the Institut Curie and professor at the Collège de France will present this year's laureate, Johannes Belaïch. Johannes Belaïch will then give a talk titled Proliferation and Morphogenesis of Epithelial Tissues. Edith Heard nous parlera ensuite de la recherche en Europe et de l'European Molecular Biology Laboratory, EMBL. Edith Heard will then talk about research in Europe and the European Molecular Biology Laboratory, EMBL. Marcia McNutt, la présidente de la National Academy of Sciences, prendra ensuite la parole pour traiter de la valeur de la science par rapport à la politique publique. Marcia McNutt, President of the National Academy of Science, will then consider the issue of trust in science and the value of science in public policy. Cette séance s'annonce comme particulièrement riche en idées. Je vous souhaite une très belle séance. This session promises to be particularly rich in ideas. I wish you a very nice and instructive afternoon. Et je donne maintenant la parole à notre secrétaire perpétuel, Pascal Cossard.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Since our president has said everything, I don't have much to say, except that I am really happy to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the Lounsbery Prize. The jury is generally composed, it has to be composed of 7 members. So there is a president, 3 French and 3 American. So the president is alternatively French or American. And this year, the president was Daniel Choquet. So I thanked him last night, and I thank him again, because it is a very, very important selection process. And I have the pleasure to say that we had very, very strong candidates this year. We had 16 candidates, and we are happy that Johannes Belaïch is our laureate this year.